Welcome to Mary Joyce and Joshua World. We got an order from Amazon and it came, so let's start opening.
Yay! Let's see what is inside.
Oh my god! They added
What
one!
is that? A kitchen.
What is this?
So that's for Ate.
I could have one!
For confirmation,
I
yes.
could have one! Open it.
Can you count how many?
Okay, let's count. You want to count?
How many it is?
Oh my god! Wow! Stop.
Guys, look at mommy.
Oh yeah.
Smile, Joshua. Okay. Can you show me what's that heart? How many heart? How many hearts?
2, 3, 4.
And 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 square and 4 heart.
Oh my god! I'm gonna keep
Wow.
that one.
Okay, then we need to wash this first, right? Right, Ate? Because it's from...
Yeah.
We need to wash. You know? Okay, now open this one. I'm sorry. Okay. What it is?
Let's open my white dress. My white dress. That was hard to open. I'll show you something, guys.
Yeah. Wow.
It's a white dress.
Can you stand up, Ate? Careful, be careful. Careful, sweetheart. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow, for your confirmation. And the other one, that's like
Let's
this.
open this one now.
And that is...
What is this? Ooh.
Whoa! For your head. There you go. It's so pretty. Okay.
How do I?
Okay. And what else?
What's this?
It's mask. Face mask. It's a face
Oh,
mask. And
and
gloves.
Like
For
a
her
dress.
confirmation. So this is all that we got from Amazon today. And that's 8 pieces. The kitchen puppet, right? Puppet.
Yeah.
And we have gloves and face mask. And
this.
we need to wash first. And this one is so pretty. So this, sweetheart, this one is like this. It's like this. There you go. Like that. So pretty. It's very pretty for your confirmation.
Yeah.
And may I see in the back? Wow, so pretty, sweetheart. And the dress. I will show the dress. And the dress is... And this is the dress. We need to reverse. They do this so that it won't, you know.
Get stained.
Yeah, we need to wash this too. It's from Amazon. There you go. So this is your dress.
Whoa.
This is your dress.
It's really long.
It's for you, sweetheart. And they have you can tie it in the back.
Looks pretty on the back.
It's very, very pretty. It's just for your confirmation. This one, can you see it? And this is only for $9.99, guys. We got a
Wait, let me
sale. It's a coupon. You just sell. Yeah, this is $9.99 in Amazon. And we got also this gloves,
let's take them out.
mask, and also this one for $9.99. So this is $9.99 and the dress is also
Awesome.
$9.99.
What?
And we got our puppet. This is a $13, but we got 50% off.
Yeah, I
So
can
just
keep them
pay, just pay,
I keep these ones.
it's $7
We got this.
including tax.
And those two.
And
Joshua,
this is what
show
we
them
got
to the camera.
today. Okay. There you go, and see. What do don't not Mary.
Wait. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye. Joshua,
Bye.
can you invite me your channel? Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye. Wait.
Don't forget. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Wait. You keep two because I don't know which one. Wait.
Look at mommy,
Oh,
sweetheart.
yeah, I was gonna give you this one.
Joshua. Chasing all the dove. Do you have fun? There's a lot over there.
Let's get them. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Revive my right song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I still got a lot of fight left in me. Losing friends and I'm facing. Everybody's worried about wasting. In 2 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. Say I still believe. Yeah, I still believe. No, those things I didn't say. The wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice? This time, this is my fight song. Take back my life song. Revive my right song. My power's